Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On one side, we have the TiziToy brushless motor drone, and on the other, the GleezeFun G11 mini drone. It's a battle of the skies, folks. Who will soar above the rest? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. TiziToy comes in at a cool $99. That's right, folks, less than $100. On the other hand, the GleezeFun G11 Mini is priced at a whopping $299. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, TiziToy is your guy. But does cheaper mean better? Let's dig deeper. Both drones boast 4K cameras. TiziToy has a 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing epic bird's-eye shots. GleezeFun, on the other hand, shoots in 4K 25 FPS or 2.7K 50 FPS and has a vertical adjustable camera from 0 degrees to -90 degrees. Reviewers praise TiziToy for its camera clarity and range, while GleezeFun is noted for its high-resolution video and stable connection. Now, let's talk about motors. TiziToy is rocking brushless motors, offering higher speeds and better wind resistance. GleezeFun doesn't specify its motor type, but flaunts impressive GPS flight modes. Reviewers appreciate TiziToy for its durability and smooth performance, while GleezeFun's advanced GPS features are a hit among users. Battery life is a biggie. TiziToy offers 40 minutes of flight time with its two 1,600 mAh batteries. GleezeFun, however, takes the cake with 60 minutes of flight time thanks to its two 2,100 mAh batteries. Reviewers love TiziToy's long battery life for extended play, but GleezeFun's extended flight time is seen as a major plus. Features galore! TiziToy comes with high-speed rotation, circle fly, 3-speed gears, gesture control, and even 360 degrees flips. GleezeFun doesn't flip, but it does have auto return, follow mode, circle mode, and waypoint mode. Reviewers recommend TiziToy for its fun and user-friendly features, while GleezeFun is praised for its advanced flight modes. Durability, TiziToy includes extra spare fan blades and a snazzy storage bag. GleezeFun, with its stylish design and camera shield, is like the James Bond of drones. It even comes with a complete kit of 34 pieces. Reviewers commend TiziToy for its durability and accessories, while GleezeFun is noted for its robust build and comprehensive kit. Customer service? TiziToy offers a detailed tutorial and 24-hour customer service. GleezeFun promises a 30-day return and a 2-year free warranty. While TiziToy has mixed reviews regarding customer support, GleezeFun's customer service is generally well received. Online reviews for the TiziToy brushless motor drone highlight its affordability, ease of use, and versatile features. However, some users have noted issues with customer support. On the other hand, the GleezeFun G11 mini drone is praised for its advanced features, stable flight, and reliable customer service, though it comes at a higher price point. So which drone should you buy? If you're on a budget and want a drone that does flips and tricks, go for the TiziToy. But if you're willing to splurge for more flight time and some fancy GPS features, GleezeFun is your new best friend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time!